we'll guide you through how to configure SMTP server settings for Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. Then select See All Settings from the dropdown. Now, head over to the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Send Mail As. Here, you can add another email address if needed. Click on Add Another Email Address to open a pop-up window. Enter the name and email address you want to use, then click Next Step. Now, you'll need to enter the SMTP server details. For Gmail, the SMTP server is smtp.gmail.com, and the port should be set to 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL. Make sure to enter your full Gmail address as the username and your password for authentication. Select the Secured Connection using TLS option if you're using port 587. Once you've entered all the information, click Add Account. Gmail will send a verification email to the address you entered. Go to that email account, find the verification email from Gmail, and either click the link provided or enter the confirmation code back in Gmail to verify. That's it. You've successfully configured your SMTP server settings for Gmail, and you're all set to send emails using this new address. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.